was nice, the party was pumping. And everybody having a ball. Until the fellas started name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I heard a boom and shout out. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? I see them people had a ball, cause Billy Fountains get out. Get back, Gruffy, bash Gruffy, get back, you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I'm man, no get angry. Two Eddie cows calling them K9. Hey, but they tell me, hey man, start up the party. You put a woman in front and a man behind. I heard a woman shout out, who let the dogs out? 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 Say, a doggy is nothing if he don't have.